Madam, move. I want to sweep.
Shanti, you're late again.
Ayo, madam, what to tell you? Yesterday, that man is there, now my husband. Again, he's drinking and coming. Full night he is drinking. He's coming to home. Full night he is shouting, appa. Shouting, throwing things here, there, all vessels and all he's throwing. Appa, what to tell? Tough time I have with that man, madam. Ayo.
Wait, are those bruises in your arms? Don't tell me your husband's hitting you again.
He is beating only when drinking, madam. Otherwise, he is good one only. Okay. Good husband. Nice man.
What? How can you say that?
Now men will drink only now, madam. All men like that only. Going drinking in the night. But otherwise, my husband is okay. Nice man only. Now he also has no good job. So his money full for house. I am earning, I am only keeping full money. So much freedom I have. Now see, to you I am speaking in English and I am wearing modern clothes and all, no? But some other woman, madam, papa, what sad lives they have, don't ask only. Now, why you want to see other women? See my mummy only, no? Sad life, madam, why you want to ask? Such a small house. 17 people are living in that house. All work my mummy only doing day, night, working. My daddy, that man useless, hopeless fellow. No work only for him. No job, nothing. Every day going, drinking, coming home, beating my mummy, beating. Full day doing that only. No job. I only see, no madam, no money, so many children. What to do? That's why my mummy, papa, she went, got one job. That day that man came to know, he came full day beating my mummy like that. Even my granny is beating my mummy, madam. You know, they don't like the women to work. That is why. But Shanti, no problems. She go to school, you know. I go to school. 8th class I am pass, you know. And I speak English, full free life. You thinking, madam, I have sad life. That is wrong. I am free life. Happy woman, Shanti is full happy only. Ayo, so late it is. I have work, madam. I am going.
You know my servant Shanti, right? She got beaten up by her husband again. I don't understand how can she go through such atrocities. It's like she's like a puppet in her husband's hands. She can never stand up for herself and she claims to be happy. It's beyond my imagination.
Okay, just chill, just have some.
Oh no, I think I've drank too much.
God, you're such a parent's pet. You keep listening to them all the time. You're so pressurized. Take a break.
Hey, come on. Don't say that.
You don't drink because your dad keeps pressurizing you. You don't stay back after 8 because your boyfriend's pressurizing you. You're a liberated woman. Come on. You have your own life. You have your own freedom. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to be pressurized by what people tell you to do.
Hey, bud. Come on.
Such a...
Okay. You know, I'll just drink.
You can see the smoke. Come on, Sandy.
Hello. Look angry.
No, it's nothing. I just met Jia. You know my classmate, Jia? I mean, she was such a sweet and sorted girl when she initially came to college. But now look at her. I mean, she tried so hard to fit in with the cool gang and she does everything that they ask to do. And just because that's something liberated women do, she lets them control every aspect of her life. What she drinks, what she wears, what she smokes. I mean, why would you do something just because others expect you to do that or that's what you have to do in order to fit in? Why can't you just be yourself? It's not like I don't have enough problems in my life that I have to worry about her.
What happened?
My parents are beginning to talk about my marriage, doctor. I really don't know what to do.
You have to tell them, Geeta.
I know that I should tell them, but what will my parents say when they realize that I'm a lesbian? I don't. What will everybody think about me? What will the society say? What will my neighbors say? My parents will have to go through so much of trauma because of this.
Geeta, you need to understand. You can't hide this for a long time. Though your parents are very important for your life, you have to tell them that what you are going through. Listen to your inner voice.
I know that I have to come out of hiding, and I need to tell my parents because I cannot live with a man. I certainly cannot get married to a man.
You don't have to listen to your parents and friends. Though they are very important in your life, listen to your inner voice.
ಏನಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು?
Hello. Kishore, I'm with a client. She's a student. She needs my help. It's my job, Kishore. I have to do it because she needs my help very badly. It's not about money, Kishore. It's about my job and what I like to do. That's why I studied counseling. That's why I'm doing this job. I need to help people. It's not that I'm just neglecting my responsibilities. I'm trying to balance both. I'm looking after your parents. At the same time, I'm trying to balance my work also. If you want me to do that, I will resign the job.
What amma, you are saying resign and all?
Yes, Shanti, he wants me to give up my job.
And you said yes, yes sir. What amma, educated woman like you and all. Even I, Shanti study only till 8th class. But even I know, woman no have job, woman life only over.
Shanti, he wants me to take care of his family. And I'm married now, I have to listen to him.
Oh. But amma, you tell me one thing. You only are going on telling, no? Job not for money, job for happiness. Then why you did all this?
That's true, Shanti. One cannot listen to his own voice all the time. They have to listen to others also.
Ayyo, Shanti, seen so much, listened so much. Now I don't want to listen or see anything, anybody. See ma, even my husband tell me, Shanti, whatever you like you do ma. I will not say anything. You know amma, nobody will tell Shanti anything, you know. Shanti is free woman. Nobody tells Shanti anything. Shanti do exactly like she like.